What this guy is doing is same thing with yes, this auto pulse disulfator. This guy will just finish off, equalize everything. Somebody should check our batteries and let's know the voltage.
What we have here is that we are trying to purify the battery for every form of impurities that's making it not to charge well. This neat water we have here is a mixture of water and normal salt, which is table salt, kitchen salt, sodium chloride salt, and then this oily kind of black brownish liquid boiling down there is the reaction that is obtained as a result of the electrolytes and the electrode reacting together, because this is what is coming out from the battery as the battery is connected to the electrodes. So all these things boiling here is as a result of that. Let's keep watching on as I'll be continue to expose more things to you.
Eh? 8.17. It was 8.17. Okay, it was 8. The sun is not hot. Whatever this.
So as you can see, these are the batteries in which we are trying to purify, because they are giving us some issues, so we are trying to purify them in order for it to look like a new one. And then these are the wires, these are the electrodes, these rods, these are the electrodes. Very soon we'll raise it up for you to see. And then this particular one now is the positive wire, a positive terminal, because the batteries are connected in series connection, and so that all of them will be purified at once. And this particular one now is a negative wire connected to the electrode. So we are monitoring it. As you heard earlier, as we are doing, we are checking the voltage, we are checking the everything that is required to do it. We watch on. What is actually happening here is the sulfation. We are desulfating the batteries, that is the mixture of that water and the salt. It removes the dirt that has accumulated on the cells of the batteries, which might make it run down or die completely. So we desulfate it. And at the foot of them road, the both times this one and this one.
You see how it's affected. When I remove the return, you see how it affected it.
So these are the electrodes. Uh, This battery is mainly powered by solar panels. And the importance of this battery to agriculture is that it can power most of agricultural machineries, even used in the irrigation system, like powering the water pump, and so many other things in electrical appliances it can power in the farm. Thank you for watching MOU Agriculture. I hope to see you next time. Thank you.